selamat datang di Modcast. Di hari ini kita kedatangan tamu spesial jauh sekali. Adalah Mas Boneruzzi. Oh bukan. Tetangga sebelah. Ini dari Sri Lanka jauh-jauh. Ada JJ Twins.
Thank you.
Oke. So, ya nanti kita akan ngobrol soal karya terbaru mereka, kolaborasi. Kalau Anda melihat sekarang ada Mas Boneruzzi, ada JJ Twins, ini kira-kira ada bentuk kolaborasi apa yang mereka lakukan, nanti akan kita obrolkan ya. Nah, dan juga di hari ini ya, ini saya mau bertanya kabar dulu kepada yang sudah hadir ini ya. Piye kabare? Mas Boyum?
Alhamdulillah saya Mr. Willy.
Alhamdulillah saya.
Aku rada angel bahasa Jawa loh ya.
We can do like English Jowo.
Yes.
It's okay. So, how are you today?
I'm fine. Good.
I'm fine, good. That's okay.
Guys, are you guys okay?
Yeah. Of course they are okay.
Maturun Mas Willy MCC sudah mengundang kita. Terima kasih banyak. Suatu kehormatan dan kesempatan yang baik.
Oke, luar biasa. And JJ Twins, can you introduce yourself? Because when I see you guys, it's just like in Indonesia we call it bagai pinang dibelah dua. Because I don't know who's who. Okay, you can introduce yourself.
All right,
Okay.
so my name is Jason.
Yeah,
And I'm Julian.
Julian and
Yeah.
Jason. Okay.
And together we are the JJ Twins.
Okay. So Julian, do you have any relationship with Madagascar, like King Julian? No?
Not really, not really.
Yeah. Because that's the famous character
Yeah.
in here in Indonesia.
Oh, he's famous here?
Yeah, yes, because like Raja Julian. Yes. The animation is very, very But we're not gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about your collaboration with Boneruzzi, and this one is your collaboration is the song that called Higher, right? But before we get into that, I want to ask you guys, how on earth that you guys from Sri Lanka have a collaboration with Boneruzzi that in here in Malang?
Yeah. So when we first got to know Boneruzzi, this happened through social media. So we found Boneruzzi on social media through Instagram, and then we connected. We reached out to him and we asked, "Do you like to collaborate on a song with us?" Because when we first heard him, he had something very unique. You know, his style, his vibe was so unique, and we thought, okay, he should get into our project and do his part in our project. And then when we reached out to him, he was so humble and cooperative that he was like, let's do it.
Maybe Jason, you have any maybe different story or maybe like other story?
Yeah, so because when we first started talking to Boneruzzi on, you know, it's on video calls because we're not close to each other, right?
Yes.
So he was very cooperative and he was very helpful and very kind. And Boneruzzi has a kind heart. Yeah. So we are honored to have Boneruzzi on this project with us. Higher.
Okay. And I heard, is this your first time in Indonesia, right?
That's right, our first time.
Right. Do you have any culture shock when you come here?
Not really, but I think the food is amazing, and
Yeah.
I think the spices in the food is a little different
Yes.
than from Sri Lanka. Yeah, but the culture I think is similar to Sri Lanka, but the people are here are amazing. They are very friendly, and we love Indonesia.
Okay.
So thank you for having us in Indonesia.
good.
Thank you for having us in Malang. Malang,
Amazing, man.
amazing city.
Oh, yeah.
Lalapan.
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 Rawon. Rawon.
Raw.
Are you try the lalapan and rawan as well?
Yeah, Lalapang. We tried it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, we like that.
Okay. Which one is more spicier? Like the Sri Lankan food or Indonesian food?
It depends.
It depends.
Because if we want more spicy stuff in Sri Lanka, then we can add more. You know.
Okay.
But here in Indonesia also, it's almost the same.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe you should try Indonesian level like a deadliest spiciest like
Yeah. I don't think we can handle that.
Yeah.
I don't think we can handle that. I think we go higher.
yeah. agree. In here we call it like the devil level because it's so spicy, man. Yes. Okay.
It's like tonight Crazy Rich.
Yes.
Crazy Rich ya kan?
Crazy, yeah.
Oke. Okay, so we talk about the collaboration. Mas Boneruzzi, ini gimana perasaannya? How do you feel begitu? Tiba-tiba di reach out dari Sri Lanka, ngajak kolaborasi bareng gitu.
Ayo. Nah, sing pertama-tama itu memang dan ya alhamdulillah ya. Benar-benar di tengah perjalanan kita kenal kita akhirnya menyadari sama-sama lah yo. Iki anjene lek gak semua karena Gusti Allah ibaratnya menemukan kita itu tidak akan pernah terjadi karena siapa dia, siapa saya, kok bisa nyambung deh. Akhirnya sampai ketemu, maksudnya kalau cuma nyambung chat-chat no, udah biasa lah kita sama siapapun ya. Tapi begitu dia sampai terjadi sebuah kolaborasi, akhirnya dia sampai ketemu sama JJ datang ke Indonesia, membuat sebuah lagu dan selama it's about 3 months, 3 or 4 months before Ramadan ya, we meet 4 months ya kan. Kita mengiring bagaimana kita bikin lagunya seperti apa, terus sampai liriknya, sampai aku memberikan saran gini aja, karena lidahku kan lidah Jawa, aku ngomong bahasa Inggris itu nggak enak nanti deh beda kalau kayak Eminem ngomong pakai bahasa Meksiko dia masih keren lah ya kan. Nah aku kan cabang Malang, cabang Turen, jadi aku tetap aja pakai bahasa Indonesia, tak masukin karena aku seorang orang Jawa, tak lebokno basa Jawa, berarti sekalian bisa jadi nilai plus lah, ada 3 bahasa di satu track dengan beda negara itu akan menjadi sesuatu yang luar biasa kayak gitu.
Amazing.
Dan kita sampai detik ini sama-sama kita di perjalanan ngobrol, iya kita percaya itu kalau semuanya itu karena Tuhan dan kita dengan frekuensi yang sama. Kemanapun kita berada, kita insya Allah akan ditemukan dengan frekuensi yang bersama.
Agree.
Karena kita merasakan sampai ini tadi kita berjalan ke sini dari beberapa tempat yang kita tuju, termasuk ini thanks to The Silva Batik ya kan. The Silva Batik
Yes,
yang kita gunakan sekarang dan beberapa teman-teman dari UMKM yang udah support kita, mereka berbingkisan buat teman-teman. Jadi mereka datang ke sini tidak hanya untuk misi mereka sendiri, kita juga berkolaborasi dengan semua elemen sama-sama merasakan manfaat lah gitu.
Agree, setuju Mas. That's we call law of attraction, right?
Yes.
Like we always attract to people that we have some vibration,
Yeah.
some frequency.
Agree.
Yes, agree. Okay, talk about the process about making the song higher. Yes. At first, when you reach out to Boneruzzi, you in Sri Lanka, right?
No.
Is that any chance that you in Sri Lanka heard about his project, his song before? Or there is someone that talk to you that maybe you should do collaboration with this guy?
Yeah. So actually, when we first started doing this song, we were not based in Sri Lanka. We were in the Maldives. Yeah. So because we are singing in the Maldives, so we started to work on this project while we were there in the Maldives. So when we got to know about Boneruzzi, and we started all this project and the process of hire, we did it all in our bedroom. We started there from our bedroom in Maldives.
Yeah.
And that's how it came about.
And I'm from my container, my store, brief store in the container where I wrote the really, you remember, in the rainy day? Yes,
Yes.
okay.
Wow.
Jadi pas arek-arek
Hujan-hujan.
iki ngirimi beat ya kan, ngegete. Dadi aku iku pas mbok di kontainer, aku waktu itu pas duwe gerai di Rampal ono di konter dodolan roti, pas udan deres. Aku wah, ya ngirim beat liriknya sak lungguhan iku dadi lho ibaratnya.
Amazing.
Sak siloan iku dadi.
Iya.
Ora seret langsung tak kirim nek koyo ngene lagune aku ngerekam gawe HP. Langsung tak kirim nang daerah, gete koyo ngene wis koyo wis oh iya Mas, ngono jarene. Laduk wis ngono dek.
Yeah, so we had so many video calls.
Huh?
Yeah, during this process of creating this song, we had so many video calls and
And also texting. Sometimes our fingers hurt for texting.
Yeah, this is this funny thing, that's I'm my language, Tarzan language, kan, little I can, but you understand.
And we understand. We take it, translate it, and then reply back.
But that's not a problem because we are become one with music, right? Because music is universal language that everyone knows about music.
Yeah, it's funny thing.
Huh?
Don't you remember this? I wrote, I hope our plan is going well, but I read plan, not a plan, but plan semua.
Yeah. I hope our plant is going well. And we were like, what?
Plant.
Easy planting flowers?
Not a plan.
So there is some miscommunication, right? Like,
Yeah.
what did you plan? Did you plan any trees or Any flower or something?
Yeah.
Oh, he's mean plan, like your plan together. It's
I
going
have
well.
our plan going well, tapi
okay.
nulisnya aku plan tumbuhan.
It was a fun journey creating this song.
yeah. So, we talk about the song Higher. What is this song about? Maybe Jason or Julian, you can tell the story.
Yes. So this song, for me personally, it was for my partner, and it shows that she is an amazing person, and she takes me higher. And because of, if you listen to my lyrics, it's all about her, and how wonderful she is, how kind she is, and how she lifts me up and puts me higher.
Amazing. So the song is about love, right?
It's about love.
It's about
and
love.
also you can base this song in different areas of your life as well.
Okay.
Because it can show empowerment, encouragement, and also if you are trying to go beyond your limits and to reach for the stars. You know, this song can mean so much to each and every one who's listening
It's
to
different
it.
angle.
In different angles, yes.
Okay.
For us,
With different goals.
yeah, for us, when we created this song, it's basically, mainly actually, I would say, is for our partners.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for the listeners,
Yeah.
they can feel it in a more different way.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
And I wrote my rap lyric based on their story, right?
that's
Yeah,
right.
guys, yeah.
Yeah.
But I translated it to my bahasa and Jawa.
That's
Okay.
right.
Okay, that's very interesting. Jason, you see your partner like she is really supporting you, like put you higher
that's
in
right.
your dream,
Yeah.
right? So, how big is the influence of your partner in your project so far?
Yeah, she's very supportive, and she always helps me, and she's always there for me, and with the projects and with the touring and all these stuff.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm blessed to have someone like her in my life, because it's rare you find someone like that
Yes.
who's very supportive.
Yes.
So I'm blessed.
That's-
Namanya Linda.
Linda,
Namanya Linda.
oke.
Linda itu orangnya yang menengahi kita berdua ya. Di saat kita pembicaranya dead, nggak jalan buntu, translate apa. Nah dia selama perjalanan ini yang mengatur Linda ada yang banyak dan kebetulan dia pengen main ke sini teman dia sakit.
Ah.
Dia lagi di hotel, titip salam buat teman-teman semuanya.
Kita
Yeah,
doakan.
Linda is amazing because she has been with me since day one, and since we started doing this project and supporting us, and also reaching out to Bono Rutsi,
Yeah.
translating.
Wow.
She's the human translator for us.
Amazing. So she's kind of the producer as well, right?
Yeah.
In this song, yeah.
Yeah,
In this song, yeah. So
correct.
you guys, do you guys have any challenges in the process of making this song higher? Besides the language barrier that sometimes when he's texting, it's like you have a different meaning about it.
I don't think there's challenges.
No?
It's because we just connected.
Okay.
Naturally, we all connected, and that was the spirit. So we had the vibe, the same vibe. So that was easy for us to connect with each other. So I don't think there was any challenges.
Oke. Kalau Mas Boni Rutsi, gimana? Ada
Apa bang ya?
barangkali ada tantangan begitu selama proses pengerjaan
Iya,
lagu?
ya yang bikin ini saya sempat stres loh. Jadi saya ini kan 4 bulan ya.
Iya.
Saya bikin lirik itu 4 bulan yang lalu dan kalau tadi lihat Jackson ya, ada di berapa paragraf tag itu sampai detik ini tuh saya susah menghafal masuk ke kepala karena saya stres tinggi. Stres tinggi itu bukan karena untuk kolaborasi ini, karena in the real life ya kan, daily activity aku harus membagi banyak waktu dengan keluarga, dengan ya totolan, jenenge bakuler ya.
Iya, bakuler.
Di atas panggung mungkin we are entertainer,
Iya.
ya
In
bawah
real
panggung we are bakuler ya. Jadi ya ikulah tantangannya gue fisik aja sih anu.
Fisik.
Tapi mudah-mudahan sampai terakhir it's okay ya, it's not sick ya.
Okay, when making the song higher, is that any musician or any song that you maybe like what do we call it, like inspiration, inspired by?
Yes. So there was one song that we were inspired by. That's a song by Forrest Frank.
Excuse me?
It's called the artist's name is
Eh?
Forrest Frank.
Okay.
Yes.
Is he like a Spanish
No,
singer? No.
he's an American artist.
Oh,
Yeah.
American artist. Okay. But when I heard your song Higher, it's like it has any Spain, any Latin twist, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the goals of the song is that you want to make a song that it's really good to heard when you're alone, when you like with some people, you dance together because the beat is just really really good. Is that
Yeah.
what you want to aim?
That was our goal. Yes.
Okay, great.
Dan ada kabar terbaru ya update ya. Eksklusif hanya di sini.
Eksklusif hanya di MCC.
Jadi, Bang nih saat perjalanan itu ternyata arek-arek iki ternyata pas di Indonesia kan ono manajer teko wingi
Ya.
wong arek Australia, wong Australia umure 73, tapi wong Itali. Sebenarnya cerita wake ngomong ternyata arek-arek iki sudah berkolaborasi setelah mbak aku iki ada 2 orang lagi musisi dari Indonesia. Tadi satu dari Ambon, right? Ambon Peter and Daily from Jakarta. Nah tadi
Wow.
koyoke iki kok misine aku juga ngomong kon koyoke tahun ngarep kon kudu ngetokno album sing isine kolaborasi ambek musisi-musisi lah. Dan iku di Indonesia iku
Ya.
takonono iki. Apik iku ceritane. Berkolaborasi ambek arek iku.
Okay. That's a really good or interesting question. So after you have a collaboration with Bonarucci, you gonna have another collaboration, right? With
right, that's right, yes.
another Indonesian artist. Do you have any story or any plan forward that you want to achieve?
Yeah, so we want all 3 songs, all 3 collaborations to be massive hits in Indonesia.
Yeah.
And not only in Indonesia, but around the world.
Yeah.
And because we want to showcase the talent that Indonesia has, okay, it's amazing. And being here for a couple of weeks now, and we have seen so much of talent, and we want this to be seen globally.
Do you guys have any plan to make an album, perhaps, with Indonesian artists? Maybe like
Yeah.
not 3, maybe like 6 or 7 songs with Indonesian artists.
Yes, we are open for anything. You know,
Okay.
we are open for anything, and in the near future, if there are many more artists from Indonesia who likes to collaborate with us, and including Bonarucci, Peter, and Defi, we are open to have an entire album.
Of course, day one. And when I heard some of your latest song, yeah, right? Is that any influence artist that you growing up? Like maybe like the artist that influence you in music, or maybe like the artist that give you some inspiration to make some of your music?
Yeah. So our favorite artist is
Yeah.
Akon.
Oh, Akon.
Yeah. So we
I
would-
wanna make up right now. Yes,
Yeah.
I know that song. Okay,
Yeah, so we were growing up listening to Akon.
Okay.
And
Okay.
we have most of his albums
Okay.
because we are crazy fans of Akon.
Yes, it's
Yeah,
really
so-
really good. It's really really good.
That's how we got into R&B and hip hop music.
Ah.
After listening to Akon,
Yeah.
we were inspired by his type of music.
Okay, so that song is maybe like in 2005.
2005,
yes.
5, right? Yes, 5. Like yeah. Akon. I know him. And also when I heard your song, it's not like a one style of music, right? You try to do some experiment, perhaps, or do some collaboration with a different style of music. Is that right? And
That's right.
Why you doing that thing?
Yeah, so we don't want to stick to one genre all the time because we are open to you reaching out to different genres in the music industry, you know, and also to different artists from different parts of the world. And it's not like just that we want to be like only hip hop and R&B. We can have other influence in our music as well. Like we can have pop, we can have country, you know, whatever genre that is there.
Yeah. But so far, I already talked to you guys like, oh, which one is your song that really loved by Indonesian people?
Yeah. It's called There For You.
Yeah, agree.
I think that's your favorite song, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's also, I love that song. When I first heard that song, it feels like, you know, like bring back the memories like when I heard Westlife,
Yes.
Backstreet Boys, I want it that way. But with some sadness twist, but
Yes.
you know, like when you feel like you want to express your love with someone, you try to be there anytime she or he needs, but sometimes it's just not working out, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, because most of the songs that we have written is about our personal life.
Oh, okay.
You know, so when we write a song, it's about something that we have been through or that we go through. Yeah, so it's amazing that you have felt that.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
so it shows that how effective that our music is to people.
But is that the real story?
It's a real story.
The
yes.
story.
Yeah, it's a real story.
Okay. So that's mean the song is also your journey in life,
That's
right?
right. Yes.
Okay. The pace in your life, like when you broken-hearted, when you
Happy.
happy, when you met someone that's supporting
Good
to
review,
you.
good review.
Good review.
I hope you're not broken-hearted.
Not really. Oke, kembali ke Mas Boneruzzi. Mas, ini kalau sampean tadi kan bilangnya kan kalau Eminem ngomong bahasa Meksiko masih bagus gitu kan. Tapi sampean kan juga MM. Mas. Wah. Kolaborasi ini kira-kira gitu Mas, yang apa ceritanya kan juga dari ceritanya Jason yang menemukan pasangannya begitu. Kalau dari Mas Boneruzzi sendiri, apakah ketika menulis itu juga ada sosok yang dibayangkan begitu ketika menulis itu Mas?
Enggak sih, aku langsung fokus ke mereka berdua ya, karena sebelum menulis ini kan sudah terjadi intens video call ya, video
Oke.
call. Terus Linda itu orangnya sangat hangat ya lucu kan arek-arek kan ini isor kuat tuh, arek nom-nom masih ini kan. Sakit deh duwe brewok aku kan. Jadi langsungnya aku bisa waktu dia kirim beat sama aku minta lirik bahasa Inggrisnya dia waktu di part aku kasih berapa bar yang untuk part rapku, aku minta lirikmu terus tak bayangkan tak terjemah meneh iki.
Nah.
Lirik yang dia kirim tak translate, oh maksudnya ini tak bayangno sakit oh ya iki terus mari ngono aku ono zaman gue SMA ben senengane nggih pantun sing teklek kecemplung kalen timbang golek wani balen ambek pasangan nih pring kuning mentiung nang kali kulitmu kuning wajahmu ais kari tak lobono deh kono iki plus
So the collaboration is not just about language but also the culture.
ya
right?
culture,
The culture.
of course.
Okay.
Iki aku harus memasukkan otentik ya apa identitasku di setiap karya. Nah, dan mereka tak translate teko lirik rapku itu tak terjemahkan. Iki sing part iki basa Jawa. Artinya iki ngene terus mereka oke lirikmu oke takono. Doa.
Okay. So what you guys think about the Boneruzzi lyric in the Higher song?
I think it's very creative.
Okay.
Yeah. It brings out the culture, the love. And I think it was a great idea that what Boneruzzi did. He came up with this idea
Okay.
to do this thing about culture
Okay.
and also love. Three languages.
Three language. So in Sri Lanka, do you guys have any culture like in Indonesia? We like to play with words in Indonesia that we call pantun or we call like like some twisted words. Is that any culture that you also do in Sri Lanka? Play with words.
Yeah, I think it's in our culture.
Hmm?
Yeah, I think it's in because our language in Sri Lanka is Sinhalese.
Okay.
Yeah, so in Sinhalese culture, they have these kind of things, just like the Indonesian culture.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I think that's why it's not a difficult things or any challenges that happen when you guys do the work.
That's
I don't
correct.
think it's
Yes.
difficult, yes.
Yes.
So we are like brothers.
Yes, brothers from different mothers.
mothers.
Yeah, agree. But I think if you stay in Indonesia, so Jason, you gonna stay in Indonesia or you gonna back to Sri Lanka?
So I'll go back to Sri Lanka, but I hope I can stay in Indonesia.
Yeah, but I think
Yeah.
if you stay in Indonesia, maybe like in a year, you will be fluent with Indonesian language.
Yes.
And probably you will forget to speak.
I just know few. Aku cinta kamu
Okay.
and sudah makan.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Okay.
Sudah mandi.
Yeah.
Monggo sarapan
Okay. That doesn't even sound like foreign people. You just sound like Indonesian people right now. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's
Yes, okay. Okay. Before we end this talk show, guys, I have some quick question. So just answer it as quick as you can.
Okay, let's try it out. Sure.
We try this game. Okay. So for Julian, if you're not a musician, what will you do?
Nothing.
Nothing. What will you do for a living? Okay.
What would I do for a living?
Yeah.
I don't know. Because I never thought anything else other than being a musician.
Okay. Great,
Yeah.
great. So, Jason?
Same question?
Don't copy your brother. Just try to be creative.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Just try to be creative.
So I don't know. Maybe I'll.
We never think about it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's change the question. Like, what do you love besides music?
Acting.
Acting.
Yes.
Oh, I think it's gonna work out. It's gonna work out. Have you ever tried to acting?
I have, yes.
I have.
Yeah.
Movies?
Theatrical. Not movies, theatrical.
Theatrical?
Musical theatrical. Yes.
We're the same. I'm also doing theatrical.
Okay, nice.
Yes,
That's
yes,
nice.
great.
Yeah.
Mas Bone, Rutzi, kalau nggak nyanyi ngapain Mas?
Ya dodolan roti kita mas, jelas. Iki kan roti sing
Mantap.
senengane arek-arek roti sisir.
Jangan lupa.
Resep kuno khas Malang.
Beli, oke.
Ya wis lek gak ono tanggapan, yo dodolan roti rek.
Amazing.
Lah sing musik iki apa teko roti kita sing wis gawe mbayai ngalor ngidul kayak yap-yapan iki rek.
Entrepreneur.
Gitu lah. Ya, berusaha menjadi gitulah.
Entrepreneur. Oke.
Bakul.
Next question, Julian. What song that you really feeling to it, that you really fall for it? What song? Name one song.
From my song,
Yeah. No.
from
Any song that you ever heard that the song is really you feel into it.
okay. So there's many songs,
Yeah.
but from all that I will choose one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Only one that maybe you have. I don't know. Maybe you have experience with that song, or maybe that song is remind you of something, someone, or anything.
Yeah, I think what would it be? Be With You
BB2.
by Akon.
Akon, right? Still Akon. Okay, still Akon. How about you, Jason?
Yeah. I like. It's one of Chris Brown's song. Next to you.
Next to you.
Yes, next to you. By featuring Justin Bieber.
Next to you.
I think you've heard it.
Yeah, I think I have heard next to you. Okay.
You
Okay.
got that smile.
Can you sing the song?
Heaven can make. Da, 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 da. You got that smile.
I think I heard that song. Okay. Mas Boneruji, what songs that you pilih satu sing paling kayak wah ini lagu ini paling membekas.
Aku ya iki mesti the reasonnya apa Who Best Thing itu.
The Reason.
Soalnya mulai zaman biyen sampai detik iki lek apa nono apa acara apa ta apa di kampung kayaknya mesti nyanyi ini iku itu lagu.
Yeah. I agree. Who Best Thing.
Fluently.
I'm not a perfect
Yeah.
person. That's really great. Yeah.
Who Best Thing.
Who Best Thing, everything. And the next question maybe for both of you. After Malang and Bali, which cities you would like to visit next?
Yeah, so actually we want to visit all over
All of the city?
Indonesia.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to visit all over Indonesia.
Hmm?
It's not like we want to go to one particular city. It's not like
Okay.
that. It's
Okay.
just, yeah, we want to travel all around.
Manado, Toraja.
Toraja, yes.
Manado, Toraja, and the other places.
And also we would like also to go to the Timor Islands.
Ah,
Yes.
Timor Leste.
Yeah, yes.
So there is no particular city that you want to visit, but you want to visit all.
We want to visit all because,
Okay.
yes.
I think you need like 2 years, 3 years to stay in Indonesia.
Yeah. So we already,
Huh?
so we already did Bali, we did Jakarta.
Huh?
Malang.
Yeah, Malang is in
Ah.
And now, let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Other cities.
just become Indonesian already, guys.
Yeah.
Change your nationality to Indonesian. That's okay. We will come and okay with you. Something
Yeah,
like that.
join us.
Join, yes, join us. Mas Boneruji, setelah kolaborasi dengan JJ Twins ini, apakah ada rencana lagi proyek ke depannya dengan JJ Twins atau musisi-musisi lain juga?
Ya, saya sempat ngobrol sama dia. Tadi selama kamu setelah sama hire sama Boneruji kan dia ada sama Peter orang Ambon, Manado, ada juga sama Devi di Jakarta. Nah ini selama 1 tahun ini kamu akan menjalankan exposure di Indonesia. Jadi next year if you come here kita akan mudah-mudahan ya kita bisa jadi satu panggung di semua artis yang berkolaborasi sama kamu di Indonesia. Kita akan jadi tour ke beberapa kota. It's gonna be great idea, I think.
Yes, yes. I hope. Amin, amin, amin. Dan semoga terrealisasi, Mas Bonerucci ya. Amin, 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 amin. Okay, the last question, really last question. I always said last question, but there is next one, next question. But this the last question. If you describe your song with one word, what would it be? I hope there is different answer between you guys, Jason and Julian. If you describe the Higher song with one word, what would it be?
Unique.
Unique.
Empowerment.
Empowerment.
Love.
Love. Okay, give applause to JJ Twins and Bonerucci. You guys gonna perform the song after this, right?
Yes,
Okay.
of course.
Oke, jadi abis ini kita akan menyaksikan performa dari JJ Twins dan juga Bonerucci Higher. Jangan lupa dengarkan lagunya di Spotify dan share sebanyak-banyaknya.
Siap.
Ada pesan yang ingin disampaikan barangkali?
Oh yeah, the last words we have to thanks to all the supporters of us.
Yes.
You may say like that.
Yeah, so we just want to thank MCC for having us here. You know, we are so grateful to be a part of this and to be amongst all of you. You guys have shown so much of support, and you all have been so friendly towards us. Thank you for the warm welcome. Thank you to Bonerucci for this opportunity, for giving us this this platform.
Come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we really appreciate it, and we hope to come back to Malang.
Yeah.
And we have many more shows, and come back to MCC and the team. Thank you so much for having us.
Yes, thank you.
Oke, luar biasa. Mas, monggo barangkali
Apa?
maybe you have something to tell before we end this talk show.
Itulah. Yang pertama tentu saja matur nuwun sangat untuk dulur-dulur semua yang terlibat di MCC, all of you guys, much love from me. Weh. Aku lagi mari makan roti Inggrisku rada penak. Dan semua gini ya, jadi di setiap momen kesempatan kita sebisa mungkin itu akan melibatkan banyak orang, kolaborasi di semua elemen yang ada di Kota Malang. Terima kasih untuk semua yang udah support ya, mulai dari ini yang kita pakai, terus nanti ada beberapa hari lagi, ada 2 hari lagi termasuk tempat, termasuk akomodasi, transportasi, semua yang terlibat di event ini mereka support dengan kita. It's a blessing and kita semuanya terima kasih, nggak bisa disebutin satu-satu. Moga-moga wis Gusti Allah bales sing luwih akeh tambal jenengan sedaya.
Amin. Luar biasa. Pokoknya jangan lupa dengarkan lagu Higher dari JJ Twins dan juga Bonerucci di Spotify. Dengarkan sekarang. Is that any video clip that already released or in process?
Nah iki ya Mbak, maring ini we
Oke.
do take some video ya.
Yes.
Oke, dengarkan di Spotify dulu, nanti tunggu akan rilis juga di YouTube-nya. Sekali lagi terima kasih.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for JJ Twins
Thank
and
you very much.
Bonerucci.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
See you again guys di podcast.
You got me going higher, higher. I'm burning like a fire, fire. You my only desire, desire. She got me going higher, higher. Yeah, stepping out like Roman. You got power as Strowman. I'm on my knees on strong line Logan. Got me high down Mount Everest. She came from Bali, asked me wanna dance to Bob Marley. I said, baby, let's go party. Hey DJ, holla at my shorty.
From the streets of Colombo straight to Jakarta. Boom, I took her first class. Hold on a bit, I'm higher than these passing clouds. 3, 2, 1, here she comes to reclaim. Oh, oh. Pull up here straight to my soul, let me feel it so cold. Red lights all around. Tick tock, there she go.
You got me going higher, higher. I'm burning like a fire, fire. You my only desire, desire. She got me going higher, higher.
Bonerucci.
Terjebak di ruang tak kasat mata, tiap tatapanmu bikin dunia warna. Logika say stop, hati bilang jalan. Aku mabuk cinta tapi tanpa minuman. Hanya bisa dirasa, tak bisa diucap kata. Beda negara, bahasa beda budaya. Saat jatuh cinta semua jadi indah. Buta akan cinta tapi aku bahagia. Hati berbunga, ini surga dunia. Ku tulis namamu di tiap bait lagu. Cinta ini gila tapi aku gak ragu. Pring kuning mentiung ngangkali. Kulitmu kuning, wajahmu ayu sekali. Indahnya aku melayang tinggi, kau pelangi di langit yang tak pernah pergi. Seperti hujan turun tanpa dawan, kau bikin hatiku melayang tanpa beban. Cinta ini misteri sulit dijelaskan, tapi aku nikmati tak perlu penjelasan. Aku hanyut dalam asapnya rasa tanpa kata, hati tetap paham makna. Jika ini mimpi jangan bangunkan aku, biar ku hanyut dalam pelukan waktu. Butakan cinta tapi aku bahagia, hati berbunga ini surga dunia. Tak peduli logika, tak peduli kata, karena kau dan aku satu dalam rasa.
Burning like a fire, you're my only desire. She got me going higher.
We love you, Indonesia.
Yeah.